What's going on, everybody? Got another reset for you today. Today we're going to do a Vivo Y03. It's one of these Chinese branded phones. Pretty cool phone, got some good specs. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a pin code that you forgot what it is and you don't remember what it is, you have to do a hard reset. This is how you do it. First we got to turn off the phone, which is a quick hold on the volume up and the power button, which are right here. So we'll tap these. Bring up the power off menu. Oops. And we'll turn it off. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, it deletes everything. So if you have anything important on the phone, just know that it will be deleted. So use caution when doing this. We want to hold the volume up, which is up here, and the power button at the same time. I'll do it this way so you guys can see it a little better. So I'm going to start holding volume up, and then I'll start holding power. And it comes to this reset menu, a little bit different than the other reset menus that you see, but it's kind of virtually the same. Your volume buttons will scroll, and then your power button is your enter button. And sometimes on some of these you can even use the touch, but it looks like we have to use the buttons. So we'll go to recovery mode, we'll scroll down, hit enter, which is the power key. And it's going to take a second to load. Then it gets into this option menu, and we want to go to, out of all things to pick, we want to go to clear data, which was, oh, there you go, touch right there. And then it says clear cache or clear all data. We want to clear all data. And then it'll ask us to confirm that we're sure, because it's going to delete everything. We hit OK. And now it's deleting data. Once it's done, it'll ask you to reboot, and you can just reboot the phone, and then everything will be gone. The passcode will be gone. You can load the phone back to the normal spot that it was at and go from there. So this is how you do a reset on a Vivo Y03. If you guys have a phone that you're having trouble with or just not sure how to do it, or you got any comments or questions, feel free to drop a comment. Hit the like button, subscribe, do what you got to do. Always appreciate the help. Thanks.